But one thing that bothered me is it smoked. It smoked even more than anybody else from the 80s, and we all smoked back then.
So, there's the engine out of the frame. Right. It's not that heavy.
As is common with old two-strokes, it smoked like mad. I assumed it was just the seals that had gone. Maybe, at worst, a new bearing might be required. When I arrived at Rob's secret MZ headquarters...
Secret location in South Gloucestershire.
There was all this melty stuff all over the spark plug, dripping on the floor.
So, finally, the truth. Seems that back in 1991, the engine blew up completely at the side of the road, and from the evidence that Rob found inside, it had had a rebore, it had a new piston, and whoever had repaired it had done the best they could. But
it's already been rebored. How's that managed when no one's been in it before?
Well,
how can they rebore it without going in?
Could be just magic.
Have you ever?
Anyway, thanks to Rob, the mystery was solved. The engine's been rebuilt, and it looks almost brand new. In the next episode, we'll see if me and Dr. J can get that engine back in the bike. So, what do you see? To me, that's automotive art. Most beautiful looking engine I've seen for a long time. It certainly never looked as good as that in the years that I owned it, and can't wait to get it back in the bike. But I'm also tempted to just keep it out and put it on the dining room table to look at. Imagine that on Christmas Day if it came out instead of a turkey. Beautiful. Yeah. Anyway, the next job is to lift that back into the frame. I probably could do it on my own, but just in case, I don't want to drop it. I'm going to wait till assistance arrives. Get back to you then. Look who's here to help. Or hinder. So the trick is I'll go over the complications first, because so you know. This chain guard unit took me 2 days to put on. It's the most difficult thing in the world. It's great because it seals everything in. When it's on, the chain doesn't wear. So you need to tilt that end up that way.
Can you just rest it?
No, because it'll scratch it. Everything's sharp, I suppose. Have you got any? Right, yeah, I can hold it a bit. Don't let go.
Okay, got it.
Right. Now, the problem is that the head, look, the cylinder head is bashing the frame. Right, we're nearly there, we're not far off. Can you lift that cylinder?
See, that's where it's got to be bolted there.
Yeah.
So it's going to be tilted.
No. Don't worry about that. What matters is that they are aligned.
Well, that's so can drop down.
Because I can put this front bolt in. You can get this front bolt in.
Would it be worthwhile just trying to manoeuvre those now? Because
Don't
this
need
is
to
in
worry
position.
about that. Don't need to worry about that.
You sure? It just might be easier.
No, as long as that's in position, so when that drops, it won't catch. It's more or less in a position, which it will be once this is in. It doesn't matter. Once that front bolt is in, you can lift it up and manoeuvre it a little bit. The key is that front bolt.
The thing is that the socket needs to come back. Okay. Well, it can't come back because it's up. No, it can't because it's up against this. No, it's up against this. I'm telling you.
No, that will drop down.
No, but what I mean to say is this.
Yeah, I understand that.
It cannot horizontally go back.
I understand that. It's not stupid. It will drop down.
Let me finish and then you tell me what you want to do. So the thing to do is do you want it... No,
what you can't see is on this side, it's trapped in the chain. You need to move the chain and it will drop down.
No. You think it will drop vertically if you move that?
The chain's down on it, but I've got to get the chain. That's there.
You should manage
Good work, That's it, it's done.
We're in.
Seriously, that is all I need.
Well, this is
don't worry about that.
Is this
No, that goes to the left.
No, the side of the thing.
What that does is it comes through the bolt and it goes in.
It actually goes underneath the bolt.
Just
So it's in the right place.
Put it on the switch. I'll tell you, you push it through. I'll go back. I can get there.
Let me do the contortionist bit because you've got crappy arms.
No, my arms. It's only my arms.
Yeah, I know,
The
but
rest
I
of
mean,
it's fine.
if you roll over or something, it's just not worth it.
I won't
Don't let
have
me
a
forget
problem.
me.
As long as I keep my arms in front of me, I'm fine. The easy way there is if you can get a bit of angle like that.
So this might be a bit of a weird.
It will do. It's your best. Seems like a yes there.
Yeah, it's straight through.
Yeah. The marks are all off anyway. So. See, you'd think you wouldn't have 3 greens, wouldn't you? But it does, and that's why a mark must be clever. There's number 3. So 1. Oh, the edge schemes.
That might not be a bad one.
No, it's tiny. You can definitely take those off.
For what you need to do.
Yeah,
Because you know, you can get some.
they're in as far as they're going to go. Yeah, but once you put them in, you just put the cover and you can't get the bolts anymore. So I've got to tighten them up. Let's tighten them up first, because otherwise I'll forget and we'll be riding down the road and the engine will fall out. Right, and back one. Final tighten on this one. Okay, I'll have to do that. Got some green winding. Tidy workshop, tidy mind. In this case, untidy workshop, tiny mind. Right, tanks on. Fuel's connected. Haven't filled the carb yet. Carb's connected. Exhaust connected. Everything is on, just not properly tightened up yet. But, in theory, should be ready to try. But Dr. John isn't here. Shall I start it without him? Really? So given that Rob set the timing on it, alright, not me, and we got a spark, how many kicks do you think before it starts? Now the one proviso with that is, obviously, is the fuel getting through. Because the carburetor has a habit of clogging, but it seemed to go in nicely. I could hear it going in and it stopped, so suggests the float's working. We've got ignition, we've got fuel, we've got a spark, we've got a spark plug, we've got a brand new engine. What do you think? How many kicks?
3 kicks.
3 kicks?
Yeah.
What I will do is just prime it with some choke before I do anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it should have fuel. So I reckon first kick. Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
What about the smoke?
Gone.
It smells like a 2-stroke, doesn't it? It doesn't smell like it's that burning oil.
Yeah, that is absolutely brilliant.
First kick. I've got quite a bit to do.
It would have been 3 kicks if you hadn't primed it.
No, primed doesn't count. No, first kick.
Sorry.
I'll tell you what, we're not quite as choked as we were with the other
No, I tell you,
previously.
that's okay, that is. Gosh, yeah, that reminds me of my old Suzuki.
Yeah, it doesn't smell like
GT105.
burning engine oil.
That's
anymore.
right.
It smells like 2-stroke.
Yeah.
And yet it has got some in it. That's amazing.
Do you want me to?
You hold back. Well, just a minute, it doesn't take much. You might get a blast of smoke, that's the problem.
That's okay.
First, second, third, fourth. It has a nuts, isn't it? to signify the completion of the MZ project, Dr. J here is going to start at the bike. Have you ever started this bike? A couple of times, haven't you? But in the olden days, in his Ducati, what do you call it? Neckerchief. So the way it is, it's so good now that all I'm going to do is turn the fuel on. Right. That's it. Now you should be able to start it. Turn the ignition on, kick it.
The ignition on.
Yeah, that. When the lights are on. Get ready with the throttle.
Okay, we're ready.
Put the handlebar straight, because it does make a difference. One kick. Right, no choke. Mind you still get the blue mist